And here is the Vegan's Almanac for today, September the 6th, 2024. Today is the birthday of Marc Bekoff, born on this day in 1945. Marc Bekoff, born in Brooklyn, New York, is an American biologist, ethologist, behavioral ecologist, and writer. Ethology is the science of animal behavior and social organization from a biological perspective. Dr. Bekoff is Professor Emeritus of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology at the University of Colorado, Boulder, and co-founder of the Jane Goodall Institute of Ethologists for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, as well as co-founder of the Jane Goodall Roots and Shoots program. Bekoff earned a PhD in animal behavior from Washington University in 1972. He has been described as an activist who embodies non-aggressive means. He promotes the idea that responsible assertiveness is invariably superior to aggression. He lectures internationally on animal behavior, cognitive ethology, and behavioral ecology, and writes a science column on animal emotion for Psychology Today. Bekoff is an advocate for the compassionate conservation movement. In 2000, Bekoff and Goodall announced the formation of Ethologists for the Ethical Treatment of Animals to develop and maintain the highest ethical standards in ethological research, with a focus on cognitive ethology and animal sentience. Bekoff is a patron of the Captive Animals Protection Society, the Global Animal Law Association, and serves on the Science Advisory Board of Project Coyote, a national nonprofit organization promoting compassionate conservation and coexistence between people and wildlife through education, science, and advocacy. In addition to his advocacy for animals, Bekoff has also worked extensively with inmates at Boulder County Jail, teaching courses on science, compassion, and ethics. Bekoff has written, co-authored, and edited extensively for both academic and general audiences. His writing has found resonance outside academia in publications including the New York Times, National Geographic, and Live Science. His book, The Emotional Lives of Animals, was published in March of 2024. Bekoff argues that non-human animals demonstrate emotional and moral intelligence. He has written about the grieving rituals of several different species and has recently written articles expressing his belief that non-human animals have spiritual experiences. Bekoff is a vegan. In May 2010, he argued in an article for the Greater Good Science Center, Expanding Our Compassionate Footprint, that human beings need to abandon human exceptionalism. He said, quote, "Research on animal morality is blossoming, and if we can break free of theoretical prejudices, we may come to better understand ourselves and the other animals with whom we share this planet." And here's a portion of John Greenleaf Whittier's poem, A Song for Harvest. O painter of the fruits and flowers, we thank thee for thy wise design, whereby these human hands of ours in nature's garden work with thine. And thanks that from our daily need the joy of simple faith is born, that he who smites the summer weed may trust thee for the autumn corn. Give fools their gold, and knaves their power. Let fortune's bubbles rise and fall. Who sows a field or trains a flower or plants a tree is more than all. For he who blesses most is blessed, and God and man shall own his worth. Who toils to leave as his bequest an added beauty to the earth. And soon or late to all that sow, the time of harvest shall be given. The flower shall bloom, the fruit shall grow, if not on earth, at last in heaven. A portion of John Greenleaf Whittier's poem, A Song for Harvest. This has been the Vegan's Almanac, with the reminder that every day is the right day to notice how amazing animals are.